Hey everybody here, and today this video is a bit late. Yeah, sorry about that, but yeah, episode 2, I'm finally doing it, and ever since episode 1, I have progressing quite a lot, so I could go by playing to move in the game. So now I'm at this tropical island, as you can see, and I got the bronze play button, if you can see that right there. It's pretty cool, and I'm excited that I finally have my first bronze play button, and I got lots of money. So yeah, we're gonna just get that. Let's GM. Okay. So far I'm doing pretty good. Let me actually start a recording and just finish that mission and see how everything goes. Tech. This is episode 84. This game is pretty cool. I've gotten some new upgrades like the pro gaming chair, which you can't really see. Let me show you that. Here we are, the pro gaming chair. Costed actually quite a bit to even get the first one, but as you can see in episode 1, you did see it, like the normal gaming chair, which I was really excited about, but I didn't notice that there would be a pro gaming chair. I had the pro gaming laptop, as you could see, and a nice gaming system over there with Slenderman, that, and Minecraft. So that is, and AdventureCraft, I'm gonna call that. Yeah, and Minecraft. There it is. Pretty cool. And my taps are now apparently. Apparently they're 2% more, so it does go down quicker, which is actually pretty cool. And I'm almost finished with this mission. We're only on 2 minutes, and I think episode 2 is going to be a very short video. I'll make it 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay, let's head straight to the pug shop, actually. Yeah, let's actually get a diamond. Of 503. Hey, looks pretty cool. What's my game doing? Game? No. Again, we're gonna get 1 more diamond, so I have 4. And diamonds just out of his mouth. Okay, that's new, but head to the testing selection and see what my guy looks like so far. I've unlocked a few things. Yeah, it's cool. I don't know if I have any full suits yet. I do one full suit. Let me actually find it. There's Pennywise. So it just says Penny, but that's the Pennywise. Ooh, I can be Clickbait, Virus, and Lag. This looks pretty cool. Ooh, and there's like the Master of Vloggers. We're in the Diamond League. I'm actually pretty down in the Diamond League at the moment. My tablet's being weird. Well, yeah, we're gonna be this dude for the rest of the video. Okay. I wonder what happened to his head. He's probably gonna die from later. I don't know. Not good. Tapping. Tap. Tapping as fast as I can. You can see there's a phone next to my microphone. Microphone and phone. I think it's a phone. Came to the end of the video already. I told you guys it was gonna be a short one. I'm just gonna finish off this mission. I'm gonna end off the video there and literally actually just change back into my nose. Because now I've completely forgotten what I look like. Why is it so slow? Okay, hair. Shirt. Oh, yeah, I am watching TV at the moment. I'm making the video but short. Star Wars Rebels is the episode I want to see. I'm so close to finished. Just have to go straight to the end. Go here. Do this. Quickly finish the mission. I can do this, guys. I can do this. It's almost 6 minutes. 6 minutes. So close.